I witnessed somebody go from 0 sales to 3,000 sales in 1 hour on Clubhouse. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. But the thing is, I learned a lot from that. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Hello everybody, it is Sylvie from learnhowtogetascholarship.com. Thank you so much for stopping by on this channel. So I'm going to be telling you about Clubhouse, and as you all already know, I made a crash course video about Clubhouse, what Clubhouse is, how you should join it, why you should be on it, how to navigate it. I did a video about it. If you haven't checked it out, I'm going to put the link somewhere either here or there. Go ahead and watch it. That is I answer 50 questions and give you 50 answers about what Clubhouse is. So if you haven't checked it out and you need like a starter kit, go ahead and check that video. It's going to get you set up to actually start using the app. So let's go to the main topic of today. I saw someone go from 0 sales to 3,000 sales in the matter of like 1 hour, in the space of 1 hour. And a few things for small business entrepreneurs who are joining the Clubhouse app. Now Clubhouse is going everywhere. People want to hop in, they want to tap in, they want to share about their businesses. But for small entrepreneurs who are joining in, they want to share about their business, there are certain things that I want you all to pay attention to before you go there. Like, go back, there is some work that you need to do, but if you haven't done it, you need to do this before going to sell yourself on Clubhouse, or before going and wanting to speak and do whatever it is that you do there. Listen, small business people, if you want to succeed on Clubhouse, it is so important that you ask yourself, are you ready? Are you ready? Do you have a website set up? It is so important that you have a website set up, because when you go to a Clubhouse room and you're talking about your business, what is happening is that at that particular moment, you have people scrolling in your bio. They go to your YouTube, they go to your they go to your Instagram, which are the two things that you can link to your mostly to the Instagram, and then they check there like, okay, how does your profile look like? Is it linked to a website? Okay, let us go to their website. Let's see, are there products there? Are there things for sale there? Do they have a website? So the first thing that you need to really keep in mind is, do you have a website? Is your website set up? Is your website ready for business? So you need to think about that before you hop on there, because sometimes you come into a Clubhouse room, there is like 500 people there. You have to wait hours and hours before you're given a chance to speak. You're brought up on stage to speak, and that is the time when you can sell your business. So it is so important that when you have this 2 minutes or 3 minutes where you have to sell yourself, you are set up and ready to go, because those are the things that people are going to be checking for. And then the second thing that I also learned from that was, how about your Instagram page? How is it set up? If you are a small business person who has, let's say you do hair, you do nails, or you have like wig extensions, or you offer a particular service, how is your Instagram looking like? Is your Instagram looking like you are ready for business? Are your contact details there? Is the information that people need, is it there for people to check like on the go? Because people are checking your bio at that moment. There can be 500 people who just go to your bio at that moment, like, okay, let's see what has this person been doing, what are the services that they are providing. Let's see, maybe I need their service, maybe I can book them for my next gig, maybe I can collaborate with them, maybe I have someone that I can refer them to because they are actually doing dope work. So those are the things that you need to really get ready before you get that 2 minutes of fame. So go back, and also if you don't have products, take some time out to prepare your products. If you are making books, if you are making outfits, if you're making whatever, try as much as possible to have something in hand that you can go, and when you're speaking to those people, you can begin to make sales like at that particular moment people can check it out and buy up things. I was in one house the other day and I was hearing about, they were sharing about people who do not, if you do not have something yet, they said it's okay if you don't have a product yet, make a mock-up of it, and put it there. Let it seem like, okay, you already have all of these things. Then when the orders start coming, then you can start rushing behind the scenes of, oh, I need to get this ready, oh, I need to, but make a mock-up, like just have something that you are going to be selling there. So if you are a small business person, I will tell you all like just a short bit about the story of Stacy. Stacy joined a room that was organized by, I think, Super Sense, Prima Donna, I think I Am Spectacular, and there were Maddie J, MOJ. There were so many like business people who were in that room, and they just said, okay, let's, and Stacy comes, she shares, she says like, oh, what am I doing wrong? I have bought a course, I've tried to put up products, I've invested in marketing, nothing has happened. What do I do? At that particular moment, they were checking her website, giving her feedback. Oh, you don't have this, you don't have this. Okay, let us support Stacy. Let us try to fix up her Shopify store. Let us try to fix up her Amazon store. Let us, do you have this? Do you have that? Okay, let us try to, we are going to put her in, we'll connect her with this person because we know this person who does this particular thing. And at that moment where they were talking, her sales, her orders were going up on her website. It was going up, and she was able to rise from like 0 sales to about, she made about $3,000 just in the space of that short time. So if you are a small business person and you are already on the app or you're hoping to get on the app, it is so important that you get yourself ready. Clean your house, go to your website, fix it up, rearrange it, go to your Instagram, fix it up, rearrange it, get ready to sell something. And when you're able to do that, you will actually be able to make the best out of Clubhouse, and your small business can actually grow just like Stacy's own grew. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you like these videos, please do well to subscribe, show this channel some love, share it also with any small business person that you know who may be trying to navigate the Clubhouse app and how they can use it to their benefit. Remember, I made a crash course. I'm going to put it at the end of this video. Go and check it out if you do not know what Clubhouse is. I am going to see you all in the next video. Peace.